So the armrest on this GLE isn't working. The little tab where you press it in here is broken there. It will either get stuck and you'll have to pull it up. Anyway, it's a common enough issue. So to remove this section here, it's quite easy. You need to start here and you pull up from the back side of this, and there is 2 grabs on the front. So don't pull it from the front, otherwise you break the tabs. And then there's 2 just clips. Sorry, it's a bit tricky there. You can see the 2 clips there. So you pull it up from the back and then and back out like that. And then there's 2 30 Torxes underneath that, and they're just screw back in. So then lose them, and then that'll come up, and you need to get this part off. So this is like it looks fairly fragile. So I got it underneath here and popped it up a little bit, and then kind of worked my way around to get it up. I had to come in here as well. I didn't actually use any tools to do it. I just did it by hand. So once you remove that, you can pull it up, and there'll be 2 block connectors. There'll be one here and one focus down there. I'll show you them in 2 seconds. So that's the main block connector. You just press down the tab and pull it out. And a smaller blue one here as well. Similar kind of jig. Just push down on it and pull it out. You'll figure it out. You might need a little pick or something for that. Then there is 4 30s here. Once you have them 4 out, this will just literally lift up. Now there is some wiring in this underneath there. You could disconnect it, but you don't actually need to. So I'm just gonna move that aside for a second. This is only, I don't even think you might not need to remove this part. Let me see. Either way, we'll go along with it. So you can see the fail part. It's actually broken here. Anyway, we'll move it on. So you pop up this little rubber part, and there's 2 20 Torxes there. Take them out. Put them on the floor here with the little covers gone. Then you have to jump into the back. I'll show you now in 2 seconds. So from the back, you need to remove this vent. So to get the vent out, you can see the tab there what I'm pushing in on the side. It's a little bit difficult to pull in. So you have to get like a pick in here and turn it and then pull this out. And there's one on both sides. I'll show you what they look like now. A little bit tricky. So that's the part you have to pull out. So you need like a little pick in there, a little pick tool to go through the vent. And once you pull that out, the whole thing will pop out then, and then you can take the 20 Torx what's up here. This trim actually doesn't come off, but this one's been out before and it's kind of slightly broken. So just on a side note there is an actual physical clip there. You can kind of see it here. Yeah, so basically them 4 hold this on, and the 20 in there. So that's where the 20 Torx goes. So kind of sits. Oh, someone's catching us there. You can kind of see it there in here where the 20 Torx is. Out this USB part here. It's a little bit more than a USB controller. So you need to kind of shimmy this. This part will literally just lift back, and it's on 2 little guide nails there. There is a light. You can actually see the light there. And it goes onto a light bar on the side. I'll show you that in 2 seconds. So once you pull it back, you'll have 3 block connectors. With this pull back, you'll just undo the 3 of them. I'll show you how the clips work now in 2 seconds. The white one's just here. So they're just push down and pull out. They were actually quite difficult to get out. I needed to push down with a pin, with a pick tool, and then pry it off with another one. So once you have that off, you can we'll lift it up and you'll see the light bar switch. I have it on there. That just pops off. Oops, easy. So that just pulls back off the light sensor. That's an LED, as I showed you earlier. And then you lift it up, and then you'll have to remove this part. So I already have it pre-removed, but there's a clip here, a clip there, and then it'll just come out. So I'll pop this on the floor. Actually, pop it in the back. So there's the tab there. You press it down and then pry it back. So there's just 1, 2, 3. You can see all the tabs there. They're pretty straightforward. Got this far. If that one had fallen in and I literally just pull this part back and put my hand in, that just goes on to, it has 2 little legs at the bottom there. They fit in. It's pretty easy. And then just reassemble it all together. It's a straightforward enough job. Just on the back, put your trim part on first, put the screw in, and then put the vent in, and that'll make life easy for you. Okay, happy days.